Let's go to Next Weather team member Mike Augustyniak, who's in New Richmond, Wisconsin. I love that town, and we're talking about the thunderstorm threat, the possible tornado threat up north. You're talking about historic tornado activity that happened in Wisconsin, Mike.
Yeah, Chris, it was 125 years ago tonight, in fact, almost this hour, that the worst tornado in Wisconsin history hit. And the church bell that you see above me has quite a story to tell. The church is gone, but this bell remains following the tornado that destroyed most of the other buildings throughout the city. And years later, when scientists went back and took a look at it, they determined it was likely to have been an F5 tornado, one of only about 55 recorded in history here in the U.S., period. If you're in the area, you can hear this wild story, and it's all free if you join me from 6 o'clock to 7:30 at Northwood Technical College's Cashman Conference Center. I'll be talking about the science of tornadoes and this storm, but you'll also hear really fascinating eyewitness accounts and have some myths about the tornado busted by researcher Todd Kittle. We introduced you, Todd. Actually, meteorologist Adam Del Rosso did a little earlier, late last week. So if you're here, we'd love to see him. It is a nice evening right now. We brought the Next Weather Tracker. It's telling us it's 76 degrees. We have a few clouds, but there's nothing falling from the clouds. It's a really pleasant evening right now, but of course we'll be keeping a close eye on the storms around here as well, as will Chris and the rest of the Next Weather team. Frank will come back and give you the full forecast through Father's Day weekend. Chris will in a few minutes.
Good, we'll look forward to that. That's amazing what happened 125 years ago, Mike. Thanks for sharing some of that.
It is. Very cool story.
Yeah.